Let's paint a lightning strike with oil paints. Apply a base coat of oil paint to an acrylic primed canvas. I'm using magenta. Pick up some titanium white and scrub in a glow from the lightning. Use the same brush and the titanium white to throw a little light on the underside of some clouds. Notice how it's picking up the magenta colour. Gently blend with a soft brush. Don't use too much pressure here. Mix some titanium white into linseed oil to create a thin, creamy white paint. Load your liner brush with this thinned out white paint and start to draw the lightning bolt. Don't use too much pressure and think of zigzags across the sky. Use less pressure on your liner brush to create a thinner lightning strike towards the earth. Take a firm fan brush and mix some sap green and cad yellow together and start working on the foreground. Just tap in some nice little grassy shapes. To change the flavour of the grass, we're going to add a little bit of raw sienna and burnt sienna. Just tap on this colour over near the corner. And we're going to get a little bit of blue thrown in there. This will create a little bit of shadow work. And this is where our tree will live. Use those same colours on the corner of the fan brush. We can tap in a little bit of foliage that lives on this nice tree. Use a little of the darker colours for for the shadow side of the tree. Mix some green yellow into that thinned out white. This will be our secondary highlight. Just tap them in right on the edge of the branches. Take some Prussian blue and that thinned out white paint, mix them together and add some reflected light on the shadow side of the tree. Burnt sienna and that thin white to create a tree trunk. You can also put in some branches. Use a bit of black and blue for some shadow work. Don't forget the shadow of the tree trunk. Final impact highlight with some yellow and white, and just sparkle off some of this grass, and we'll even sparkle off some of the foliage on the tree. That really zings, doesn't it? I hope you like this painting. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.